Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to add variable products to your WooCommerce store. If you have products with different sizes, colors, or any other variations, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, hover over Products and click on Add New. On this section, in the Product Name field, enter the name of your product. Type the name of your product. Here, we are adding African, men, pattern native, suit. After that, proceed to add. In the large text box below, provide a detailed description of your product. Scroll down to the Product Data section. From the drop-down menu, select Variable Product. Variable Product. Then, click on the Attributes tab. Within the Product Data section, click Add New. To create a new attribute, for example, we can use color or size. So, we are going to start with adding our first attributes, which would be size. In the value field, enter the values separated by a vertical bar, such as small. Enter the attribute name. After you have entered the attribute name, which is size, in the value field add small, medium, large. Ensure to separate them with a vertical bar. We are going to remove this, because we didn't use it. We have added our attributes for this. Proceed and click Save Attributes. Now, we are going to add another attribute, click Add New. This time around, we are adding color attributes. So we repeat same steps. We are adding the color attributes now. It's same steps with the first attributes we added. Remember to separate each attribute with a vertical bar. Click Save Attributes. So, after this, click on Attributes. Now, we are going to create variations from all attributes. Here, we are opting for the manual setup. Click Set Manually. We are using the manual option so that it will be better understood. From the first column select the attribute, here it's small. We have added the first attribute which is small. We proceed to add price for the small attribute. Leave color column unchanged. For each of selection from a customer. We repeat same sequence. Click Save. Changes. We add the price for the new variation. Repeat sequence, and click Save Changes. We add the attributes for large. Click Save Changes. Add the price. Repeat the same sequence for the last one, which is extra large. Click Save Changes. Set the price. Ensure that all the attributes are in order. Then, click Save Changes. In the next step, we are going to proceed to the next step, which is to add product image. On the right-hand sidebar, click Set Product Image, and upload an image that represents the product. From the local storage, upload your image. It's being uploaded. So, we proceed to add product gallery. For the gallery, we would upload additional images. We are adding 2 images to gallery. Click to add the images. So, we proceed further. To set the product category. Next, we add product tags. So, we are done with the steps. We proceed. Preview to be sure that everything is okay. Scroll through to be absolutely certain that it's okay. You can click Preview to see how it looks. But, we are skipping the preview. We proceed to publish. So, we are going to view the product now, to see how it is. That's it, you've successfully added a variable product to your WooCommerce store. You can see from the drop-down menu the column of size and color. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WooCommerce tips and tutorials. This is how the variations and attributes are in the product page. From the drop-down menu, a size and color could be selected. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.